Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is a little bit different than the usual stuff, cleaning motorcycles and cars. Today I wanted to show you how to properly take care of your motorcycle gear. In this case is a motorcycle leather jacket, it's my own. I will show you how to properly clean the leather and take a good care of it. Properly maintained leather jacket will last you a long time, so let's get to it. The products we will be using are these over here. So for the leather, Derma Cleaner by Labo Cosmetica, probably one of the safest and the best products out there. Super safe on leather, does the job it's supposed to do. It also has some conditioning inside, so you'll never have issues worrying about damaging stuff. I use it in cars, on leathers. It also comes in a 4.5 liter container for professional use, but you can get it also in a small one. You can dilute it up to 1:1 or use it pure on more stubborn stains. In our instance, jacket is not that dirty, so 1:1 is perfect. For the conditioning, Mafra product. And for the inside, the fabric, we will use Flash, again by Mafra, which is an upholstery cleaner and a carpet cleaner. It has odor removing capabilities. It's dry foam, so it won't get soaky wet, it will dry quickly. And I think it's perfect for the inside to remove any smell from sweat, organic matter. So let's get started. So I will start from the inside of the jacket. So we will start from the inside with the fabric. Shake the product. As you can see, expanding foam. You let it work for a couple of minutes. This product is also safe on Alcantara fabrics, so that's a good thing. You let it work for a couple of minutes. You can also help. I have a wet microfiber towel. You can rub it in a bit. Like I said, the good thing with the foam is that it is dry, so you don't have to use like any sort of APC, all-purpose cleaner, where you have to dilute it and you have to spray it, so you get everything wet. Even though that it is summer at the moment, so it will dry in a couple of hours anyhow, but if you can avoid it, it is best. You can spray on your towel and get in there. You can get a dry microfiber and do the excess to dry it out a little bit. But usually the maintenance of the leather jacket is done in summer, so you won't have any issues. Let it air dry on its own. It smells very, very nice, fresh. And this is pretty much the inside of the jacket done. So let's proceed to the outside. So I have my Derma Cleaner pre-mixed over here, 1:1 like I said. You can take a brush, soft brush, or a leather brush, but in my case I like to use a scrub sponge. You can find them in any detailing store, and I find them to work really, really well on any surface, especially leather. So, shake your bottle and spray all over the surface. It is best to try some spot for compatibility with your chemical and the leather, but in my case, I know the product very well. I know that it won't stain anything and do any damage. Always try to work with quality products. Give it a good rub. You see the difference? Despite the fact that it's not very used. I bought it last year brand new, and this is from a light scrub, and this is the sponge clean. It had quite some dirt on it. And you can proceed with the rest. Now you take a different clean microfiber, get it damp, and wipe the surface clean. Take a dry microfiber and give it a final wipe. And this is pretty much it. With the front side is done. Now let's get to the back side. And just like that, your jacket, it looks brand new again. Now the protection part. You could go with a traditional leather balm to nourish it and to soften it up, like I said in the beginning of this video. But I will use derma sealant, which is a dedicated sealant for leather for the interior of the cars, but it will do just same job protecting this jacket. Basically making it hydrophobic and protecting it against dirt and any exposure that you get on the motorcycle, which I think it will be perfect for this case. How do you apply it? You take a clean microfiber. The trigger on this one has gone, so we'll use it like that. Take some product in your towel, rub it in, just like that. It's nothing scary, it's a very easy product to work with. And just like that, you're done. Just like that, you can store your leather jacket during the summertime. Because let's be honest, it's quite unbearable to wear it at the moment, especially in Greece where we have like 35, 36, 37 degrees. It is unbearable. You're cooking from the inside. So you store your jacket in a shady place in your closet, away from the sun, and it's ready for the winter season, clean, protected, and ready for your motorcycle trips. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a short how to maintain your motorcycle jacket. It's nothing crazy. I think it's super easy to do it on your own. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of video, if you want to see more of these in the future, comment down below. This was not a sponsored video by Lava Cosmetica or Mafra. These are the products that I use in my shop that my clients get when they come to me. I hope you liked it. Comment, like, and subscribe for more future videos. And I will see you in the next one.